In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on laptop or PC. So first, let's search WhatsApp for PC and then click on the link from WhatsApp. And then on the right side, you could see the download button here. So I'm gonna download this installer for 64-bit and then just wait for the download to finish. And once the download is finished, we want to double click on the installer. And this is the installation screen. And then you could see here that in order for you to use WhatsApp on your computer, you need to open WhatsApp on your phone and then tap menu or settings and then go to WhatsApp web and then capture this QR code on your phone. And once you do that, you're gonna be logged in and you could use your phone and PC WhatsApp simultaneously. And that is how you install WhatsApp on your laptop or personal computer. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.